Friends, hello, greetings, hope you are doing well. Let's talk about AMC, what's going on here. So this is pretty interesting. This is the second week in the market that we've had good numbers, good volume, good traction. Everything seems to be going still pretty good here. Even despite news and the media is not doing too well, we're still seeing talks of inflation. Hunter Biden videos are being released of him spending our hard-earned work taxpayer money on prostitutes and weighing his crack. I'm not joking, it's real. And NASA has taken a picture deep into the universe, unleashing all these different galaxies, planets, solar systems. It's really cool. A lot of big news out there right now. So I think a lot of us are still holding on to AMC here, which is, fantastic. And like I said, AMC is still having a great, launch off last week. We're kind of slingshotting off of last week. And last week, last Friday, I was like, guys, next week, talking about this week right here, I don't know that we're going to see anything really take off with the market. Could be a huge sell-off week. Yesterday wasn't terrible, but everything kind of just held its ground yesterday. Today is when we're really seeing some walk up here with a lot of stocks, AMC included. So every 3 to 4 months, we're seeing this with AMC, where AMC says, you know what, I'm going to start walking up here. And that's exactly what is going on right now. The question is, last time we really saw AMC get up to some high numbers were in March. And then since then, we've touched the 14s, we've touched the 15s. But now we've kind of hit some new ground here. Looks like we're going to bust into a 16 even after hours here. We could possibly see that it's still being traded around even after the market is closed here. So talking about the rest of the week, I do think I would be pretty shocked to not see this hit around a $20, break into at least a $20 mark this week. Now, I know there's a lot of people right now going, this is it. This is the week where this thing is going to explode. Maybe. I hope so here. But I think what I'm focusing on right now when I'm talking about is that I think we're generally seeing this natural walk up here. I think we're kind of due. It's happening. The overall market seems to be kind of coming back here. They're saying inflation is kind of coming to a wall here. That's what they're saying. Who knows here. And two other things that happen with AMC here that are, they're helping the stock. Obviously, this is helping it get to, a nice move on itself here, is that the CEO, Adam Aron here, said that AMC is now offering deliveries of movie theater snacks through Uber Eats. This will allow users to order popcorn and other treats from the movie theater company. That's freaking nuts. Just when we couldn't get more fatter. Fantastic. Hey, that's more money in their pockets. That's really smart. That's really smart. Incredible. And the other thing is that AMC has had a very, very blockbuster month here with Jurassic World, Elvis, The Black Phone, Top Gun. All these movies that have been coming out. The new Thor movie. AMC is, it's been killing it. So this is driving up the stock on, the thought process of, of course, everybody's still waiting for this thing to have a historical pop to, some X amount of number. Could that happen still? Absolutely. That's always there. Like I said, focusing on more, I've always been kind of a believer that AMC is going to go back up into a strong double-digit number here when the market allows that and supports that. And I definitely think these are the think these are the catalysts. These are the things that are going to really help AMC get to that point. So, like I said, I'm going to take a huge leap of faith here, and I'm going to say that I would not be surprised to see AMC keep walking up on this news here. Not to mention that, like I said, all these, apes, past apes, everybody that's new to it, is still coming in here and pushing it and trying to get this thing to run up more to crazy numbers. There's a lot of people still caught in AMC at crazy numbers at a $25 level, at a $30 level, $40, $50 level, if not more, buying this at a very high market bid price, over a year now. So friends, listen, I'm not going to go into a candlestick chart and do that little trick that a lot of people do. I think that's great, and I think it's kind of, like I showed you, AMC is moving off of some really good news here. It's moving off of organic news to really drive up the stock. AMC is making money right now. They are making a lot of money right now, and that is fantastic just for the general sense of the stock moving up. And the other side of that, with this big pop that could happen from investors pushing, some betting against AMC and some betting for AMC, making that big pop. Yeah, that could happen. We'll see. I'm not saying it couldn't. I'm just saying it may not be this week. This week may just be this week of just, a nice walk up here. So friends, I'm very bullish on AMC. I like AMC a lot. Just for an overall general stock to have. We're obviously seeing a huge comeback to the theaters. This is fantastic. This is the biggest AMC has moved here, with just movies being so put together and AMC making so much money in one short amount of time that we've seen in over a year now. So this is really fantastic for the stock, and I think it's going to keep driving it up here, to be honest. And when we see next quarterlies come out with it, it's going to boost it up even more. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. Very excited, very bullish. The market, man, I hope we keep this momentum going. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.